beginning here, we're under a blizzard warning. Unfortunately, it's starting off as really heavy rain, and it's supposed to get bitterly cold, turn to snow, and that's going to be a disaster.
Storm that is now entering the metro area. Get a ton of texts on that. Sounds like roads are horrible, and it's just going to get worse. Now, if you don't have to travel, please do not. Be safe out there. We'll continue to give you more. Here it comes, a significant winter storm moving its way across Minnesota into the metro area. Making things worse, the rain, if the temperatures drop suddenly, we could have a flash freeze situation with the snow then on top. Blizzard warnings in effect just west of the metro as the winter storm moves towards the east.
All right, so as you can tell, the conditions have rapidly deteriorated, and we are in full-blown blizzard mode. What many people maybe don't realize is that what causes a blizzard warning is when there's enough snow around that will fly up into the air from the wind. I used to always think a blizzard warning had to do with getting a lot of snow, and that's not necessarily true. Sometimes there can be no snow falling from the sky and still a blizzard warning because the winds are whipping up the snow that's around on the ground. So, fun fact for all of you who don't live in or have never been to Minnesota. But I am stopping off here at the store. I think I'm going to try and do a more simple version of coffee in my van. Those of you who've kind of followed my channel for a while, I've done French press before, which is a little bit messy. Then you have to figure out what to do with the grounds after you're done. I've done it over a campfire. I have a video of that as well. But this time I decided I'm just probably going to look for some simple either instant coffee or the tea bag kind of coffee, so that it's streamlined and less messy. So I'm going to run into the store really quick and see what they have here. Doesn't seem like they have a lot of options, and this really goes against all I believe about coffee, because I'm kind of a coffee snob. So I think I decided I'm gonna get these, which are decaf, and that way in the morning I can have real coffee. But let's get out of here, it's packed. Mission accomplished. I'm ready to hunker down and have some coffee and some Christmas cookies. Perfect weather. The other nice thing about Blizzard is eventually you have natural privacy. What's funny is I pulled into this parking lot and there was literally nobody here, and within 5 minutes another truck pulled in next to me. I'm sure they're going ice fishing. I'm probably not going to stay here long though, because when you're on the roads the wind is so strong the snow doesn't necessarily stay on the roads, but when I pulled into this parking lot it was a lot deeper, so I'll probably stay for just a little bit and then make sure I can get out of here. The good thing is this van came with all season tires, which really makes a big difference. Cheers. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. I'm pretty sure it's close to 10 minutes long. Thanks for watching my Christmas Eve Blizzard video. Don't forget, if you haven't already, if you like videos like this, hit subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment below, and hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas. Talk to you in the next one.